Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So, cover some Bitcoin news. Haven't done it in a while. So, in the past week, Bitcoin is down nearly 7%. It did dip under 60,000 temporarily. It's now 61,700. Fear and greed index is 36, and there's now a lot more BTC on OTC. Okay. So Bitcoin bull run in question as balances on OTC desks rise to 410,000. The amount of Bitcoins on OTC desks, that's over the counter desks, has doubled over the past 5 months to the highest level since May 2022. The OTC balance has reached 2.5-year high, 410,000 tokens. The run up is similar to that which took place during the bull run of late 2020 into early 2021. A decline in Bitcoin balances will likely be necessary for a continuation of the recent bull run. One possible headwind to the idea of October and a general fourth quarter rally for Bitcoin is the recent surge in tokens moving to over-the-counter desks. Data from CryptoQuant suggests there are over 410,000 Bitcoins in total on OTC desks, the highest since May 2022, and more than double 185,000 seen back in March 2024. The balance can indicate the amount of liquidity available at an OTC desk for purchase or sale, with a high balance showing strong liquidity and the ability for trading desks to fulfill large orders. A lower balance is the opposite and may indicate more difficulty in making trades. So who uses OTC desks? Clients are mainly high net worth individuals or institutions outside retail exchanges. Making trades OTC allows sizable buys and sells without impacting the price of Bitcoin on traditional exchanges. So they're not going to buy them on spot, which will move the price. So if you buy it on spot, it's going to move the price. So the idea is you buy on OTC, you might pay that little bit extra, but you keep it all kind of private and that kind of thing. And also for future purchases, you can buy OTC. The data show that OTC balance has shot up in the past 6 months, while Bitcoin has been ranging in downwards channel from its all-time high of 73,500 in March. The run-up in balances is fairly similar to that seen in late 2020 into early 2021 when the OTC balance shot up from 235,000 to 435 tokens in 6 months. The difference is that Bitcoin's price was on the rise then, but modestly downward now. In the bear market of 2022, the OTC balance dropped alongside the decline in Bitcoin's price, suggesting that net buying. If Bitcoin is to continue its bull run into the fourth quarter, one factor will likely be the need to see a drop in OTC desk balances. Okay, now the other thing that I think might be having an impact on the OTC desk balances is this story about HBO. So, according to recent news, HBO is set to premiere a documentary entitled Money Electric: The Bitcoin Mystery on October the 8th of 2024. The film, directed by Emmy-nominated filmmaker Cullen Hoback, claims to have uncovered the true identity of Bitcoin's elusive creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, so the potential impact. If the documentary successfully proves Nakamoto's identity, it could have significant legal and ethical implications, as Nakamoto is believed to control around 1.1 million Bitcoin, worth an estimated 66 billion at current market prices. The revelation could impact financial markets and potentially influence the US presidential election. Former President Donald Trump has cultivated support from Bitcoin advocates, and the timing of the documentary release may fuel speculation on how Bitcoin's future will intersect with politics and regulatory actions. Okay, so recent wallet activity. Several Bitcoin wallets from the early days of the token have become active in recent weeks, with around 250 Bitcoin worth approximately 15 million, so not such a big deal, being moved. While these wallets are not definitely linked to Nakamoto, their reactivation has raised suspicions given the timing of the documentary's release. So that's all going to be very interesting. Let's see what happens on October the 8th. Okay, so that's sort of the Bitcoin news. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.